Here is the part 6 of the product ideation to product creation series, and I feel like in this case we just more talk on what ideation is. I think after we've conducted an analysis, we've seen what our problem is, we've basically drafted out what our users say, they think, do, and all sort of other information that we need, and we've analyzed them. We basically would start ideating, and this is where we start basically bringing up ideas that kind of tackles the user problems. You know, the previous post I made, I basically talk about empathy mapping, where I mentioned the 4 key things that we need to draft out from every user. This is something that can help us bring our ideas to life. For instance, you might have a primary purpose of just creating a fitness app. Yes, I'm using fitness app as an illustration again. Let's say you want to create a fitness app and then you have someone say they want accountability. You were initially not thinking about adding accountability feature to that product, but because you see this person say it, you want to look for a way that keeps the user accountable. This is a place where a lot of brainstorming happens. You talk about several ideas because you have several ways to approaching or to solving several problems. So this is where you list out all the ideas in your head that target everything that every users are actually saying. That is the ideation process. And this leads us to idea prioritization map, because yes, we have a whole lot of ideas, but we also want to pick out the important one that we need to start designing on. And once you're able to prioritize every single idea that you have drafted out, then we can start moving to what we call wireframing and designing, and the whole part that basically sounds fun to a whole lot of design. So this is it for the UX aspect when it comes to designing and creating products, and I do hope I've been able to break it down for you guys to understand. Have a nice day, guys.